How to unfreeze Taobao account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. If your Taobao account is frozen, it's often due to security concerns like using non-mainland China IP, unverified identity, or multiple failed login attempts. So here's how you can attempt to unfreeze them. The first step is to go ahead and simply open the Taobao application in a mobile device and then log in to your Taobao account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and navigate to Taobao Help Center. For that, tap on this little icon right over here. And now you want to go ahead and use the chat feature to connect with the representatives. Once done, if prompted, select the option related to account issues. Also, you want to go ahead and verify your identity. Be prepared to provide your registered phone number or email address, a clear photo of your passport or government issue ID. Also, any recent order number if applicable. Once done, you want to go ahead and simply follow the provided instruction. The representative may guide you through steps to verify your identity or provide a link to submit necessary documents. So go ahead and follow that. And just like so, they might assist in unfreezing your Taobao account. That's all I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.